Hello, my friend. The number one issue that many people have, but oftentimes they are conflicted and confused about this issue, and that is how to make more money or how to value their voice for more than what they are getting for it. Is that your issue? Would you like to know how to begin to position yourself to earn a minimum of $997 an hour? I had that issue years ago. I was challenged in a program. I heard this lady say, my minimum wage is $997 an hour. I said, did she say $997 an hour? Yep. She went back and she reinforced it. And I said, I can't be mad at her. I got to figure this out. I was in a class. She said the class is $800, but if you want to work with me one-on-one, it's $997. I was like, holy. Okay. I said, I got to figure it out. And that's what I've done. In this training, I'm going to show you how you can write a book, build a brand, and grow a business valuing your voice at $997 an hour. Ready to get started? Let's do it. Okay. So right now I'm going to share my screen and we're going to start this presentation. How to make $997 an hour with your voice. Okay. How to make $997 per hour. Okay. Let's go. Let's get started here. Okay. That's number one. All right. Here's what we're going to learn today. The math and mindset of making money. Next, why every business or brand should have a best-selling book. The book brand business system, my $1 million business blueprint. And I'm going to give you case studies of people who are making at least $997 an hour. But a few facts about me. First, let me tell you a little bit about me. I am the world's only worthologist. Google it, look it up. There it is right there, worthologist. A worthologist is one who believes your value is unlimited. Your worth is without measure, but your price is what you're willing to accept. That's what I teach. That's what I believe. That's who I am. I'm a former attorney, United States Supreme Court attorney, practiced estate planning law, business law, and intellectual property for years, okay? I'm published both traditionally and I'm published self-published. This book was used as a textbook at Kennesaw State University. This book was published at Kennesaw University. I'm a part of that book. I'm the author of that book right there. Okay. Now, I've held live events down in New Orleans. That's my first mastermind that I had back in some years ago. That's me teaching over there with the red shirt and the green blazer. That's me in Atlanta, Georgia with the purple shirt on. 100%. I used to think I should pull this slide out, but I will not be pulling it out. 100% of my private clients are Amazon best-selling authors in more than 500 categories, okay? Everyone I work with, they hit the mark of best-selling author. I've been featured on television. I've held live events. I love spotlighting my clients' works. I'm a family man. This is my wife and family over here at the top left, and that's us down over at the left, and that's Loretta and I bottom left, and at the right, that's my siblings on a family retreat. We actually were there in Martha's Vineyard. For more than 14 years now, we've been praying together as a family on Saturday morning. So I'm big on family. I love all things family. Let's begin today's training. Normally I play a little music with my training. So let's just see if I can't find you a tune here. Let's see if I can't find you a little tune here. And let's just see, this is a good one here. I like this one. Let me see if my microphone is still hooked up. Listen. Okay, I don't want to get the copyright people at me on Google right here, okay, on YouTube. I don't want to get the copyright people. The copyright people will come get you. You know, you play somebody's music, they'll be like, copyright flag, and they won't let you go any further. So right now, how much would you 1 hour of your time cost? Right now, how much would 1 hour of your time cost? Put it in the chat box. Now, I know you may not want to answer that question, and I've asked it a lot of times, and people give me a lot of different answers, okay? Now, it's time to elevate with your story. You see, your story is the source of your financial freedom. Your story is the key. Now, why should every business brand, why should every business or brand start as an Amazon bestseller? I mean, that is just the way to go right there if you're going to start a business. Now, making money is not a miracle. It's math and it's mindset. There it is right there. It's math and it's mindset. Now, here's the deal. The truth of the matter is a short book is more powerful and impactful than a long book. You see, when you learn to publish in reverse, how to sell your story before you tell your story, publishing your book on pre-order before you finish writing it, now you are selling before you're telling. You're publishing your book in reverse. And that's one of the best kept secrets on the internet. You see, the Book Brand Business System is my $1 million business blueprint. I took an ebook and a 99-cent ebook and turned it into a $1 million business. Bestseller building blocks, return on investment roadmap, six-figure book business blueprint. You see, many people want to start a business or they want to take their existing business to another level, but they don't know where to start. They don't know who to trust, who to consult with. They pay a lot of money for some subpar coaching from someone who has limited experience or no credentials. They don't have a proven record of getting clients and getting results, and they may never have invested in their own business or personal development growth. One of the best ways to start and elevate a business is to create, publish, and market your book, becoming a best-selling author, providing a transformational foundation that opens doors to unlimited entrepreneurial possibilities. And here's the way you do it right here, my friend. You start off with the ebook. The whole purpose of an ebook is to just get you to bestseller, is to get that title, right? And once you get that title, then you can start moving right on down the road. How about a paperback book? If you sell a paperback book, you have to sell 500 at $20 to get 10,000. Is that the correct amount? Yep. Well, there it is right there. I believe that math is right. If it's not, you correct it for me. All right. But I believe the math is right. Okay. All right. 500 books, $10,000. Okay. All right. But let me do the math right now, because that just seemed to be a little weird right there. Okay. So let's go right here. I'm going to do 500 times 20 equals, yep, $10,000. Okay. All right. Okay. But guess what? That's not a whole lot of money. You want something different than that, right? Look at this right here. Now, I want you to always remember this. Don't tell anybody, but you can hold on to it yourself and get this system down. I had a client came to me. She had one student that paid her $3,600. This is one of my best-selling author clients. The total hours that it took to create the course was 24. She had a student that wanted her to teach her what was in the program, and she taught that student, and she created a course, modules and worksheets and so forth, put the lady on a call, and she charged $3,600, and it only took her 24 hours to create the course. That is $150 an hour. Do you see the formula? Now, let me ask you a question. Can you put 10 students in the class? I bet you can. Put 10 in there at 3,600. That's $36,000 divided by that same 24. And you're right now at $1,500 an hour. That's beyond $997. Now, go a little further with the internet and Facebook and all the Google stuff. 30 students in the class at $3,600. That's $108,000. Total hours to create it, 24. Now, look at this, $4,500 an hour. That's one way right there, my friend, all based on a best-selling book that you turn to a course and that you begin to sell the course and enroll people in your course. All right. That's one way to make $4,500 an hour. All right. Not only $997. All right. Now, look at this right here. This is just the formula. This is the blueprint. Anyone could do this right here, right? Ebook, 99 cents, 15 paperback book, 6,000. But look, an online course, $38,000 if you do it at $2,000. If you do a group program at $5,000, that's $150,000. If you do a mastermind at 25, and most good masterminds are going to cost you $25,000, most of them, okay? All right, speaking engagement, 5,000, corporate consulting, 25. If you do those numbers and put the units right there sold, there's your blueprint to $1 million right there. I'm talking about how to make money easy, $997, how to make $997 an hour, okay? Now, I want to show you something else here. Now, this is one of my clients. She self-published a book, an anthology, a collaboration book. She had 22 contributors paying $2,500, okay, each, $2,500. I think that number 2,250 is a little off right there. Let me go 2,500 times 22 equals, that's it. Okay, so it's 2,500 each for a total of $55,000. That's one project. You see what I'm saying? One project. Now, let's divide that 55,000 and say she did this program for 1 year. That is 52 weeks. And if she did an hour training each year, each month, that's 52 hours. If you divide 52 hours by 55,000 and you did your program for a year, you're looking at $1,057 an hour. But what if you did a program for 6 months based on putting 22 people into a collaboration, call it collaboration, anthology, whichever one you want, you're at $2,015 per hour. You follow me what I'm saying? This is powerful. This is powerful, okay? Now, this is what she said. I made $55,000 in less than 30 days after joining Dr. Fred Jones Business Coaching Program. There it is right there, okay? Face everything and rise. So my friend, that's the end of my presentation. I've basically shown you what you can do and how you can value your time with a best-selling book, best-selling ebook. It doesn't have to even be a complete book. It can be a best-selling ebook. If you're interested in having a next-level coaching session with me, a next-level coaching session, you're like, Dr. Fred, I'm interested in knowing how to do that. I would like to make my book a bestseller, and I would like to develop a personal brand and build a business. I want you to text your email address to 205-775-7714. Again, 205-775-7714. Text your email address right there. My team will be in touch with you, and I will take you through a complimentary next level coaching session valued at $19.97, yours totally free for watching this training all the way to the end. And I'll show you how to make money online. I'll teach you how to get paid and not played. I'm Dr. Fred Jones, reminding you the most expensive thing you will ever pay is attention to the wrong people. Be sure to like this channel, hit the subscribe bell, and comment in the comment section and tell me what stood out and what you like most about this training. Until next time, Dr. Fred Jones saying goodbye.